Bro, do you realize many guys' lives are ruined because of anger? Their future is broken because of a moment's emotion. Even other people hate them because they're a temperament percent. Now, I will share some tips with you guys to make you an angry conqueror. First, realize, bro, in this world, it is already natural some people are bad, and according to one of the Stoic philosophers, Marcus Aurelius, there are many of these kinds of people in the world, bro. So, before starting the day, prepare yourself mentally to meet the bad people, which don't know the rules, those who have no courage. What is the purpose? If you meet them, you will not be shocked, so no excessive emotions, and it's not easy to get angry with them. Realize, bro, sooner or later, you will definitely meet bad people. Don't let them ruin your day by making you angry. Secondly, realize, bro, your angry energy is very valuable. Angry is okay, bro, but get angry with a purpose. Angry with a goal, like a football coach who was angry about his team during the halftime break. Let the team realize they must play better. Once again, realize, bro, your angry energy is very valuable. Make sure you are angry at the right time. If you have to be angry, get angry to make things better. Remember also, bro, people who are rarely angry, once angry, will be taken more seriously than emotional people, which their anger are already considered as usual things. Third, accept respect. You will be happy if you can away from anger. Angry is tiring, bro. Can make a bad mood all day. Can make a hot head. Can't think. Could ruin your activities all day. It's a shame if your day is not productive because you are angry with people on the street. Complaining is okay, but as much as possible, don't be angry. Debate okay, but don't get emotional. If you feel angry, annoyed, hot chest, control your angry energy, not explode on other people, but for sport, for riding, or fuel for your fight. Then you will be much more productive man, bro. In conclusion, these are three tips to be a man who can conquer anger. First, prepare yourself if you are going to meet many bad people in this world. So, no need to be shocked, no need to overreact when you meet them. Second, be aware, bro, your angry energy is precious. Angry is okay, but make sure it is absolutely at the right time for a good purpose. Third, accept the facts. Your life will be happy if you are away from anger. Your heart is calm, your head is cleaner, work more productively. Share in the comments section what strategy would you do to overcome angry and explosive emotions. Remember, weak men are men who give up when they are angry, allowing himself to be controlled by anger, while a true man is a man who can control anger. Greetings, high value man. Cheer up, bro.